Keep your eye on the can of bang. It's going to look like just like that. Alright, this is really simple. All you do is slip a table knife underneath your watch like that. Take a can of bang, cut a little slit in the back. Be careful with this if you're under 18. Have a parent do it for you. And then you put the knife into the slit like that, and then from the front, like it's floating.
Let me teach you a dead simple party trick using a knife, your bare hands. You just squeeze, it bends, and then it bends back. As if by magic. If you want to learn how that's done, keep watching. Guys, it's actually so easy. You just take your pinky and your forefinger like this and you clip it like that. And then here's what's happening. You're just pretending that it's bending from the back like that. Obviously from that angle it doesn't look terribly good. From this angle it looks a lot better. It's all in the way you act. If you take it like this and give it a snap, give it 1, 2, 3, 4, it should turn into a fork. That's your little kicker ending. And if you don't know how it turned into a fork, you can just watch the video back. I'm sure you'll catch it.
Teaching my girlfriend magic. Watch the ring. Back on the finger. So, here's what you're gonna do. Cassie, you're gonna come over with your other hand, and as you look like you're taking it off your pointer, you're gonna switch it with your middle, like this, okay? So then it hides the ring. That is step 1. Step 2, once you've done that, is just pretend like you're throwing it up and switch your fingers really quickly. And there's the trick. Easy enough, now you try. Put on your pointer finger.
Like this.
Uh-huh, yep.
And then I go, so is my fist closed like this?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then I go. Then,
Come on, you got this.
Okay, ready?
Hey, there we go.
I'm a magician!
Changed around a wire through my outfit so it was connected as one piece. I stood around the corner and threw the outfit at the wall as my brother who was filming continued the motion through. In the edit, I cut at the moment I made contact with the wall. Then in the next clip, I found the moment my clothes hit the wall and made a cut there. I deleted everything between these two clips and then put them together. Lastly, to animate my body actually going through the wall, I cut around my body using a mask. I dragged this over to our other clip for one frame and repositioned it. Using one more mask, I cut my body in half, giving us the illusion I was halfway through a wall. Finally, we have this.
Take a Sharpie and do that. Take a Sharpie or any pen and put the top of it in your nose. From here, you have your thumb contacting the pen in the back. The rest of your fingers are kind of just chilling in the front. You act like you push it up your nose. Don't actually push it up your nose. You act like you are, but all you're doing is sliding your hand up so it covers the pen. And then from there, you take it, put it in your mouth, pull it back out. So all together, it looks like that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Why am I doing that? I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.
What's up, it's Day, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a coin vanish. This trick is actually really simple. All you need is a coin. The bigger, the better. You're gonna take that coin, put it in between your middle finger and your thumb, and then pinch. And from the front, it kind of looks like it vanishes. Now to disguise this action, you're gonna pretend that you're throwing it to your other hand. See what I mean? Right? And it looks like it's in that hand, when really it's here. So now you just take this hand out of the frame, or away, put the coin in your pocket because everyone's looking here, misdirection, it's gone, it's in my pocket, and then you just blow, and the coin's gone. How did that? Whoa! Send this to your friends if you want them to learn some cool magic, or trick your friends and duet this video.
Teach me a magic trick. I got it. Watch the pen. 1, 2, 3. Goes inside the bottle. Just like that. Here's how you do it. You have 2 pens. One goes at the bottom and you can't see it because it's hiding there at the bottom. And then I take this pen and I just flick it with my middle finger like this as I come up and turn the bottle like this. Oh. Jan, teach me a magic trick. Got it, got it. Watch. Watch the Smarties. Watch. Snap and they disappear just like that. What? Here's how you do it. You take an empty box and then you put another box around your arm with a rubber band like this. Cover that up, and when you shake this, you actually hear these ones, and then you can show it's gone. Yeah, teach me a magic trick. I got it, watch. Watch the Joker. If I just shake it like this, it changes into the Ace of Hearts. Here's how you do it. Just put 2 cards together like this, and then just square them up and hold them in the corner, and as you shake, you just turn it around like this. I'm teaching more magical.
Huh, could have sworn I popped through it. Oh. Huh?
So I thought it'd be fun to show you how I made that video, so you can try making one too. First, I filmed the part where I'm reaching into the bag, and then I go to the second bag and reach my hand from behind the counter. So now we're gonna combine these clips using the Video Leap app. First, you're gonna import the 2 clips into a new project, then use the mixer feature to layer the 2 clips on top of each other. Then we're gonna use the mask feature to control which part of the clips that you can see. And then just flip this sideways. And one side of the screen is gonna show me reaching into the bag, the other side is gonna show me reaching out.
Yo, Sean,
what's up?
Teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to make a coin appear out of nowhere.
What?
To do this, all you need is a coin. What you wanna do is do the little OK sign with your hand. What you're gonna do is you're gonna place the coin right inside this little loop. Show that you got nothing in this finger, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the coin as you bring it through. All together it looks like this. Nothing in my hand, bam, coin.
Sean,
What's up?
teach me a magic trick.
I got you. I'm about to teach you how to take any dollar bill and get it to levitate in air just like that.
What?
This one's really easy. All you need for this is a coin. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the bill and you're gonna fold it hot dog style. And what you wanna do is have the coin on the edge like so. Place that on the edge of your fingers, and bam, it's just levitating in.
Check this out. Levitation.
Check it out, watch this trick. Check it out, I've got an empty bag here. I'm just gonna reach inside and take out a banana. What the hell? Watch, here's the best part. Watch. Oh, a lemon. How did that fit in there with the banana? But watch. This is the best part, watch. Watch the Coke. I've got an iPad here. I'm just gonna take the Coke, shoot, out of the screen, just like that. Now, this time I'll do it again. Watch, this time a Rubik's Cube. Watch this. Shoot, out of the screen. How does that happen? Now watch, I'll do it again. There's nothing behind the iPad, right? This time what I'll do is I'll take the money.
This is how you shuffle a deck of cards with one hand. Put the deck in your non-dominant hand. Put your thumb like this on the side, pointer in the front, pinky in the back, middle, and ring on the side. From here, you're gonna slightly angle the deck like this, so it's kind of perpendicular to the ground. Use your thumb to split it in half. From here, take your pointer finger and put it on the very bottom, okay, like this. You're gonna use your pointer finger to push that bottom packet up, and you need to move your thumb to allow for room for the packets to clear each other. So again, you split like this, pointer here, push up, allow for room with your thumb, and then let it fall. And that is how you shuffle.
Yo, free tutorial right now, how to make a card disappear and then come back. If you're ready to learn it, double tap this video really quick, hit that follow button, and let's get into it. Watch, you hold the card like this, okay, with your ring finger, middle finger, thumb in the back, pointer on top, pinky on the bottom, like this, okay? And basically, here's what you're doing. You're gonna extend all your fingers while you bend the corners of the card, like this. So it hides behind your hand. This is called the back palm, okay? So it's hiding behind. Now you can kind of see it, but if you're kind of moving, you won't see it. And to bring it back, you just reverse the action, all right? So you kind of start waving. You have the card like this, kind of like a llama. You go behind, and then back, and there is the back palm. Guys, if you found that helpful, let me know in the comments, and if you want to see more, let me know.
Watch the lemon. What? No, come on, Jackie. What the heck? How'd you do that?
GeeVeeGee! Subscribe now.